In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. You just keep on eating. You just keep on eating. Sentence number 2. May Allah protect you. May Allah protect you. Sentence number 3. The situation was worse. The situation was worse. Sentence number 4. I have been sore throat today. I have been sore throat today. Sentence number 5. She could not come today. She could not come today. Sentence number 6. I cannot tell you by tomorrow. I cannot tell you by tomorrow.